The heat shield is rusting off.
Oh my... Holy shit!
Tu es très stupide, putain!
Пошел нахрен, рот, сука! Let's play how many languages can we curse this dumbass out in?
A lot of people are selling out those contracts for the next 3, 4, 5 years, and they could continually keep adding.
One of Europe's leading betting houses, and this is Nigel. Nigel has just been promoted from head of Unibet Europe to head of Unibet US. Nigel doesn't know anything about American sports. Kiwi's friend has some sort of American cryptocurrency. Download the app. Visit the Does it look like they were about to get an easy clear on just a long shot almost with nobody in front from Rust? He elects to shoot near the end of the power play. That was specifically to the fucking
morespirit.com for more details on their award-winning whiskeys or to book a tour.
Insane drunk fuck.
Welcome back.
Part of why I forget to navigate sometimes is that I'm rarely in the passenger seat.
Yeah, I'm never in the passenger seat.
Yeah.
There's no advertising whatsoever. It's just all like guerrilla, underground, whiskey community stuff, you know. I think you have people.
Jesus fucking Christ!
Cask strength or bottled and bond, Wilderness Trail is always non-chill filtered premium whiskey with unparalleled flavor. Distilled, aged, and bottled in Danville, Kentucky. Ringing the new year with their top bubbly picks, and with over 8,000 wines, 4,000 spirits, and 2,500 beers, you'll find just the right bottle that'll look great in a bow, and at prices that feel like a using the best practices of those early times in balance with the improved methods of today, delivering the finest handcrafted bottled and bond bourbons to an audience that's eager for an alternative.
Have a house you want to turn into cash? I'm Ryan Schlabel with the Home Buyers of Pittsburgh. Since 2015, we've helped hundreds of local people sell their house for cash in any condition on the day they choose. You gotta be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall.
To help provide something for the greater good for the city of Barton and go around the city or so. We'll start with you.
Well, first, I just want to kind of
That dude made no attempt.
It wasn't a good game for Ben or for Tomlin. Why did Tomlin call timeouts at the end of the first half to get another possession?
you know, we are really proud to be back in Nelson County. We're actually in the southern.
See, I don't think it's that big a deal. I'm glad she got it. She's a former player agent. It seems like she's qualified. But assistant GM, I remember when the Panthers had like said no, but then it got reviewed and the right spot got made, and that would have made it for a much easier call. But hey, who wants easy? I like the drama.
Participant in practice yesterday. There was nothing obvious that happened there, so I don't know whether it's a different injury or a re-aggravation of the same thing. Regardless, the one.
We don't have a stop. We have a yield. There you go. In terms of taste,
It's less sweet. It's still
Okay.
kind of sweet, but definitely less sweet.
Gotcha.
And I think it's a slightly different flavor.
This area.
Get with a few friends. Just do 5. If you can just do 5 recipes and see if you can nail them, more power to you. It's tough. It is not easy. Yeah.
Yeah,
But
be honest with your results.
the last group.
Dang, we want those barrels.
Ooh, I know. Tell me, right? Maybe actually just go try the Woodford malt and see if that gets you there.
And say what states?
Oh. Proof and has an SRP of $225.
Those are always been really good. And there is something to that damn water from that mine or cave or whatever it is.
Hi, Grotto. I got stuff from my favorite distillery, so. Did I ever show you the, my friend was gonna
Well,
pick
you
me
know,
up
we
something.
could get Burger King like right now if you want.
You wanna?
Sure.
Alright, let's do it.
Yeah, and then I'll just pay for it.
I fucked that up big time.
We're going to be talking about raising money for everything that just really detrimented our state, or decimated our state last week.